Jason. Why is he looking that way?
Jason, is that good?
Not your fingers, silly.
Jason. Jason. What's that? What's that? Do you like that? Do you like the peas? Yeah,
Yummy.
you like them better than green beans.
Yeah, he does. He didn't like the green beans at all, huh?
Ooh, what's wrong with his eye?
Oh my gosh. It's red. Oh my gosh. What is that from?
Mm-hmm.
Guess I'll have to call the doctor. That's not good, is it?
No, it's not necessarily bad. I wonder if he cried like a lot today.
She said he didn't.